Hi, I am Huma Mistry and I have completed my MBA in Marketing Specialization from LJ University.
So, what motivated you to join this course or university?
Okay. So the first thing which motivated me to come over here and do MBA was to get practical exposure along with the textbook knowledge too. I was much interested in marketing, so I have that's why I chose marketing as my main specialization, and it has helped me to learn like marketing strategy, which has helped me in working with companies, and also if I am doing my own business, it will much help to communicate with customers and to know them well.
So, what was the best part or highlight of your life at LJ?
The best part here in LJ was when I was working with my peers. I have learned many things. I have learned how to brainstorm and how to face challenges and then coming to a solutions, and also how to be in a group as a person, and also how to lead activities.
So, did you get any placements or internships from the college?
Yes, so in start we were supposed to do an internship of 3 months, and then we have also done workshops. Then after that, in the end, we got placement from the college, and I am placed in one of the Mercedes dealership as a customer experience executive. And working at that place has made me to a realization that whatever I have learned from my college, I am applying to the real life situations.
So, was there any teacher or professor who made a positive impact on you?
Definitely, I am not. I will not say one teacher, but there were numerous teachers who have helped me and my peers also, as their pedagogy of teaching things have much helped to inculcate knowledge outside the textbook, and also to gain practical exposures in which we were supposed to learn how we have to sell, as I have the marketing speciality, so how we have to sell B2B selling, along with it to do the data analysis in the end to interpret the result.
What was your and your parents' reaction when you came to know that you're being awarded a gold medal?
Okay, it's a very much a proud thing for me and for my parents as well, because I am the eldest daughter of my family, and they are seeing me getting a gold medal. At this stage they are much happy, and I just want to say one thing, that I am here because of their support, so it's a very much proud thing for me and from them as well.